Hey everybody, it's Dr. Nicole with Healing Hands, and this is Noah. Say hi, Noah.
Hi, everybody. How you doing?
Noah is one of our patients, and he started care in our office, almost 8 weeks ago, yeah?
8 weeks ago.
Yeah. So we just did Noah's checkup, and I wanted to share this with you guys because he shared something really interesting with me. So we always talk about how we can have injuries and damage to our spine, and sometimes we don't even know that they're there because we can have them there, be choking off our nervous system, and we don't have any pain from it at all. So as we were doing Noah's exam, Noah got amazing improvements in his posture, which is a really great way to measure health and to measure body function. But Noah let me know that he has another way to measure his health. So he's using an app right now. What is that app called?
The Whoop. It's a Whoop strap.
It's called a Whoop strap. I've never heard of a Whoop strap before. But what is it like? It's akin to what?
Same thing as like a Fitbit or Apple Watch or these kind of basically fitness things that tracks your heart rate, your sleep, and everything else. But basically what the Whoop strap does is it tracks how well your body recovers. So basically it tracks how your body returns to baseline after stressors, whether it's exercise, illness, daily stress, work, whatever it might be. And it basically gives you a score. But since I started coming, my score, every time I go to a chiropractor, it increases over 10% on the days after seeing a chiropractor.
So
it's
with this
really
app,
significant.
and what I thought was cool is that with this particular app, it actually asks you if you go to a chiropractor and have chiropractic visits. So it's actually measuring your physiology within a 24-hour period after you get your adjustments.
Exactly.
And you had what kind of improvement?
10% every time.
10%
you go to a
every-
chiropractor. And what
Awesome.
it basically does, it really measures your response to your central nervous system and your HRV, it's called. But it's basically, it's pretty significant, pretty interesting.
That is significant.
Yeah, so.
That's awesome. So one last question. How do you feel that your central nervous system is responding better to stress?
Much better. A lot more energy, everything. But much bigger difference.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing. I found that really amazing, so hopefully you guys do too. And if you have any questions, obviously you know where to find us.